In all set, ready to race. Race number 10, start a pick for event. And they're on the way. Salvatore draws for your lead. Friendly fire ang ating galing down on the inside. Then moving up is Super Elegant Flying Hope. Holy Trish, then comes entry number 8, Purely Kali. And trailing the group, my exam lady, heading towards the half-mile pole. Two runners parting it out. Salvatore, the favorite, goes right for the lead. Ang ating galing Daman Surya in third, then followed by Friendly Fire. Moving up now, Super Elegant, Holy Trish, followed by Flying Hope. Then comes Purely Kali, and a long way back to my exam lady as they race for home. Salvatore, this time by about 5 lengths, running now in second, Super Elegant Daman Surya. Purely Kali is sneaking in by the rail, and down the stretch they come. They are all after Salvatore. Super Elegant now in second, Flying Hope moving up on the outside to take third. With 50 meters, it's all Salvatore, Super Elegant, Flying Hope, Purely Kali, Holy Trish, Daman Surya.